focus the tanks. Watch the tanks. They're gonna get hit a little hard.
Just a little.
Just a little.
A little bit.
Watch the weapon, guys. Last, watch the weapon.
Melee are usually behind the boss, so.
3, 2, 1. Taunting.
If he's
Oh my god, fuck this fight.
Yep, jump.
Stay spread though, guys.
Really fucking good
Fantastic.
job.
Good
Really
job. Stay
fucking
spread,
good.
stay spread, stay spread. Watch. Don't fucking die to the lava lash.
What?
I was lagging him.
Oh.
Pulling boss back.
I gotta go in melee with this. Good,
Pull the boss
good.
back a little bit. Good. Alright, start moving towards getting stacked. Yep.
Strike's done already.
Go now, yep.
4.
Those people out with the radiance.
I'm just gonna block this.
It's-
It's the first one starts.
Shrinking.
Rally, good. I'm not gonna deep here. Probably not going to. And spread, spread, spread.
That's how
Good
it's
roar.
fucking done,
Good
boys.
fucking
That's
job.
how
Here
it's
we
fucking
go.
done.
Let's go. Surprise,
Foot.
motherfucker.
Taunting.
Stay spread. People up. Let's go.
I'm
Everyone
working on
needs
mid.
Doesn't matter too much on the first. After this, you can just do whatever you're.
Let's go.
Sec. I'll beat him. Don't worry
Got
about
it? You okay? You good? You don't have it for 20 seconds though. So this is gonna be
Taunting.
Neon and Lodella's and Grate Tech on the stacks, and the shit on the bulls. Lodella's, can you rally on this set of bulls as well when they come out? And I'll also debug.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. But we'll do, so that'll be the 2 cooldowns there. Have a barrier and rally firestorm.
Taunting.
Spread, guys. Stay spread. Check your range. Um.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Sure these die evenly.
Yeah, make sure that evenly here.
Are you picking it first or me?
What percent is that?
35.
Sounds good. Sounds like a pretty clean kill so far.
Rally.
Shit, I got fucking
first.
hit by the breath.
one
Away
from the
from
front that needs more damage.
Get them in. Get them.
Fuck that one.
Focus that one.
Light had the green.
Yeah.
Chill the high one.
Get me up, get me up.
Have him zoom out.
There's a res, get me up. Come up.
Get him
Good
buffed.
job. Buffing crit. Alright, everyone stay.
Watch the
fucking
radiance.
calm.
Watch my radiance. Watch my radiance. Move. Stay spread. For res in 20 seconds, make sure we get amps up. We need the VE.
Already used it on the
Get
second
me
set.
With this.
With that.
Ready?
In now. Start moving towards stacking.
15.
Sure, there's a line right there. Hold it back
Okay,
a little.
Blades and radiance on me. I can bubble this. Move.
1.
Get a stock go up in
I
5
bunch
seconds.
us
Get
up
her up
as
in
well.
5.
Personally.
Use
Everything
your
here.
health
Everything.
stones,
Everything.
yeah.
Everything. Everything.
Get me up quick.
We're up right now. Hellstones. 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 Spread. Spread. Just find an open spot. On any side in particular. Just find an open spot.
Tanks can be taken down.
Feet.
Open spot.
Work on mid.
Reloading.
Taunting.
Find open spot, guys. Don't die to the lava lash. It's the only thing can kill you here. Use the whole room. Use the whole fucking room.
Plenty of room space on the right hand. Taunting.
I'm putting this in the melee. Putting this in the melee.
I hope this isn't a kill.
Pulling
Yeah, I
into
think
the
this
clear
could be a
space.
kill actually. Oh well.
Pull
Can you take dogs first, man?
Yeah. I still have boss though.
Kinda
Dogs,
disappointing.
but just ignore them. Just relax. Kill the boss. That's all you gotta do.
I have
You
train.
have sack up, don't use it
Face
now.
it.
Because you
Okay.
did.
Just summon away. I got one sack though. Trank right away though. Trank right away. Trank right now.
Run those.
Tranking.
Here we go.
3 fucking
Sack me now,
bosses
please.
this week, guys.
Come on.
3 fucking bosses.
Come on, come on, come on.
Sack me now.
This is what we
Got it, got it,
fucking do.
Let's go, man.
Fucking do it. That's it. Fuck
Guys,
off,
you will die.
nerds.
Oh my god.
Ooh, weapon.
Dude, fuck this game. I
We're
like
real
that really
Hi,
panic.
weapon.
The fuck
Did
is
we-
this shit damage?
Guys, did we talk
Dude,
about
that just dies
kidding.
you.
thank God.
Yo, guys.
The fucking wolves stayed
Kill
up for like
mythic
2
boss.
seconds after the boss.
Sick legs,
Fuck
Jers.
that, dude.
Nice legs, dude. Just walked all over you.
What is
Oh, I
trying,
rolled
bro?